Would be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. Bit off in place. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Tight lines and watchfully played. The batsmen have more singles on offer with the field spread out. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Turned away for a single. That's a good throw. Straight into his hands. Very good running between the wickets. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Squeeze a single there. Good running. Very well played. Just working on the field where the gaps are. Spin him back. I think that's a good move. No one at fine leg. Bowler needs to stay away from the pads. Change in angle. Bowler coming over the wicket. Good shot for a single. Oh, what a catch. He managed to hang on to that. Just that one to perfection. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. My God, this looked impossible until he took it. Incredible effort by the fielder. The bowler's got his tail up. Terrific bowling that. Turned away for a single. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Very good running between the wickets. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Squeeze a single there, good running. Good shot for a single. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. Got him! That's a loose shot by the batsman. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. A long walk back to the pavilion, doesn't look happy at all. Perfect delivery, perfect length, making the batsman play a false shot. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Turned away for a single. Very good running between the wickets. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Squeeze a single there, good running. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket.